Yeah, so right now I will use my blower. Well, it's not my blower. It's my wife's blower. Okay. Well, normally other people just use the torch for their butter to wrap it up, the sticker. But I will teach you how to use the blower to wrap the butter up. Okay? Let me try Pikachu. You know Pikachu? Okay? This one. Pikachu. Okay. It's a sticker right here. And this is my battery right here. Okay? So now, what should I do? If your battery has a problem like this one, you should, try to remove it already. Or else you will have a problem in a couple of days. So you need to remove it first, like this. Remove everything. Okay, yeah, remove as easy as that. Remove like that one. Okay, remove like this way, and then after that, you see there's a couple of stain. Try to remove it. Okay. Yeah. So what I have is a little bit of a thing that can remove some stain out here. You do it like this way. Okay. Try to remove as much as you can. Okay. After wrapping it up, and then make sure to dry it. Have a dry tissue with you. Okay. Sorry for my hair, right? I think I am the one who needs a blower, not this battery. Okay. Yeah, because I'm getting up before going to my workout, but I want to let you guys see this kind of thing to help you guys. Okay, so I have like two stickers. I have a Pikachu, and yeah, this one, and this is my battery, the naked battery. Okay, what you need to do is like just put it up. Like this. Woof, woof. Okay. Put it inside. And make sure that you have like space for the end and space for the front one. Okay. Like this. Okay, you can see, right? A little bit. And then, okay, baby chocolate, come here. Okay. And then, what should I do is do it like this way. Chocolate. You see this one, right? And this one, the blower. This one, hot blower. You see? As easy as that. I don't know why other people having a hard time of doing that one, but as easy as that, you can do it, right? See, it's closed, and it's closed, right? So now you don't have a problem. If you want to have a second thought, then put it another one, like this. Woo! Woohoo! Woof woof! Yeah, as easy as that. Okay, so now I have like my Pikachu battery. So cute, right? And I have like my minion battery. Okay, so I have like this one. And now, okay. So did you see what happened just a while ago? And I'm sure that you probably missed something out on the video that I created. So what is that? There is something wrong on the one that I did. The purpose of this video is for you to see what is wrong and what is correct. Okay? So just a while ago when I tried to wrap it up, everything, there is something wrong. And what is that? What is that? This one. The super duper important one, the insulator, or what you call the ring or something, whatever. When you remove the sticker, your old sticker or the torn sticker on your battery, you should see something like this. And you should keep it before you put the new one, okay? But what you should do if you're ready, make it like this way. Ensure it's super tight. And normally people will think that okay, I will try to remove it and then poof, you will destroy your sticker, your super cool sticker. So don't worry. We have a solution for that one, okay? I will show you. You see this one? Okay. What we need to do is try to... Okay. Wait, let me get some clip or whatever. Okay, wait. Whew. I'm back. I'm holding like this one. Let me try to open it. Okay. Try to open very careful, okay? Very careful. Because you don't want to destroy your sticker. So be very careful when try to do it like that way. Okay?
I guess I owe you an apology. You were right. I guess Anderson handcuffed the car. He was in on it, right?
Yeah, you know, I found out about another part that was in on it.
So long, Foley.
Okay. So now you can see it's quite open now, right? It's quite open. And then try to put the ring inside. Very careful.
You guys okay?
Very careful.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
I wonder what time the park opens.
Okay, so now it's inside, right? You can see it's already inside. And what you need to do is the blower. Okay, make sure that it's warm. Okay, make sure that it's warm. Make sure, and then do it like this way. Okay. See, everything is okay. Everything is okay. So we have no problem anymore, right? Okay, guys. Thank you for watching my channel, and I need to go to the gym right now. And I hope that you can subscribe at my channel, and you can see a couple of things on my travel, where to hang out here in Thailand or whatever. So yeah, I'm very glad to help you. Okay, have a nice day, and again, don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.